Okay, so what I want to do here, I'm going to create a new color for these flowers here since I don't have that combination. So what I'm going to do is just kind of practice on this one, and I'll add this one to my book too. So this one here is going to be, this is number 1014, which is Deco Pink. So I'm going to put this one down first, like so. And just putting the colors in here. All right, so here is my Deco Pink version. Okay, and I just laid the color down pretty easy. Then this one here is going to be blush pink, which is 928 blush pink. And I'm gonna just shade this one up. And I'm just kind of putting a light little layer to blend the colors up into the, well, I guess this is like a little petal, right? This is how I'm gonna do the whole book in just these little swatches. Okay, so I just put this color in, and then I can use the same color and just push a little harder, and I'm still getting a nice blending with just these two colors. And then what I do is I go and I write, the best way for me anyway, when I do this, is to write down what they are. So I just grab my handy dandy pencil here and I will write down what I did here. So this one is 1014, so I will write down the number here, and I'll write 1014, and this is the Deco Pink. And then I'll make like a little swatch just so I can have that there. And then I did this one, which was 928, right? So I put the number down, and then I write what it's called, and that was blush pink. Okay. And you can do this when you're watching my videos or other people's videos. And I'm going to have these blank ones available to you too, as well as the completed ones that you can download from my site. Okay. All right. So then the next one I'm going to do here is going to be Rose, which is 929. Which is, I'm sorry, this one's pink, just regular pink. So this is pink. So I'm going to put that one here, pink, and then I'm almost done. And then this one here is going to be 930, because I'm going to use this one, which is going to be magenta, which I'll put on in a minute. Okay, but I'm just going to make the little list here for you first. So here's a magenta. And then for my little finale, I'm going to do, this is 995, which is going to be our trusty mulberry, which we use for shading a lot on flowers, Berry. And see, then I can see that that is going to give me a little dark on the bottom. Now, sometimes I might switch this out, but for right now, I'm going to go with that. I might add a little darker as we go along into the piece to see what I want it to do. So now let's use the pink, and let's put the pink in here so you can see how nicely that they just blend. They create a really nice little blend. You know, obviously, I mean, you don't have to go with as many colors. If you just like just using these, then just use these or whatever you want. And this is obviously just idea for you to inspire you. All right, we got that one. Now let's put in, this is the magenta one. So we're going to put the magenta one in. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit of color. So these are the colors we're going to use on our calendar for March. I'm a little bit late getting started in March. That's because I was doing a bunch of stuff. I was working on the book, and unfortunately, a friend of mine, my best friend since I was 10 years old, she died, so I have to do, I was dealing with that stuff, so and I was getting over the flu, and then I got, I don't know, something wrong with my kidneys. It's like I was hit by everything this month. It's like, what the heck? So anyways, that's why I was a little late on getting to this video. All right, so I'm going to just put in a little bit of magenta, and that might be good enough. But now this gets a little bit split. I didn't put my finger underneath here, so on my download though, I'll have this all cleaned up. But you want to, what I usually do is I'll take a piece of paper and put it there so I don't smudge up my work. And then so now I'm going to put a little bit of this purple. This is the mulberry down here, just to give it a little bit of a hue at the bottom. Processed red would be a good one too, but I mean, whatever. I'm just gonna pick this one just so it's a little different, and I'm gonna make it darker at the bottom. And there we have it. Okay, so that's kind of what we're gonna do there. So that we'll add this to my little collection of colors, and now we're gonna get started on our beautiful March calendar. Okay, so what I want to do here is we're going to start with this area here. So I'm going to just lightly fill this in, just like so, with the Deco pink, the lightest pink that we just used, right? Just to, and you know, you can leave some spots open with the white, you know, if you want a little bit of highlight like I just did there. Now I'm going to take the blush pink, the 928, the blush pink, and I'm going to just move up, and I do it in that little flicky pattern that I've been kind of showing you how to do. See how I just sort of kind of flick the colors up a little bit? You see, because then you get an effect of that it's a real flower with the petals, which is kind of good. I want to see if I'm trying to get used to this, using this new, I'm filming it from my iPhone actually, believe it or not. So let's try that. Okay. So now we're going to go like that. Yeah, you know what? I'm noticing that it's rocking, and I kind of don't like the movement when I'm moving the table. I hope that doesn't drive you bananas. I'm going to probably switch. I'm trying to see if I could get a better view here. I think I'm going to switch to my other camera, okay? So just stand by.